Hi, Cooper. Can you say something? Can you talk? What are you saying? Say, I love you, Mommy. Say, I love Mommy. Oh, that's good talking. What? Are you ticklish? Show us how you're ticklish. Ah, Mommy's tickling you. We love Cooper. We love our Cooper Andrew. Hi. Ah. Oh, that's good talking. That is good talking. Does Cooper say bye-bye? Bye, Cooper. Boo.